What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are on the beautiful west coast of Florida. We're at Manasota Beach. We brought the shark tooth finding stuff, the snorkeling stuff, the skimboard. So I'm not sure what we're gonna get into today, but it should be a fun little adventure. Woo! Jolie's getting me all lathered up. All right, I'm not too good at this whole skimboarding thing. It is so cloudy, you can't even see a thing. Everybody behind me and all around me is all looking for shark teeth. Everybody. All these big groups of people all the way up there, all looking for shark teeth. Crazy. Jolie's embarrassed that I'm using the camera.
No.
On the beach.
I said,
she's embarrassed.
No.
There's all these people.
No. I said I would be embarrassed if I was just sitting here talking to and everyone's watching me.
Don't forget to stay hydrated. I'm done skimming for a little bit. I'm gonna go see if I can find some shark's teeth. Alright, take two.
One.
All of them. Oh, nice one just fell through. I don't know why Jolie likes holding them in her mouth. Look at that one. Alrighty. From that scoop, we got these guys. Nice. Check this one out. That thing's gnarly.
Where are you?
That's a big shark.
Bendy.
Nice.
I have one too. No, it's not. There's a broken one. A root.
All right, so basically all we're doing to find all these is right where the water crashes and it piles up on this edge. We're just scooping it out and then sifting it in our little sifters that we made. We're finding dozens of them, dozens. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Got it. A wave almost took us out. Look, it's another little baby one.
I want to find a megalith. Don't we all?
Alright, I'm passing the camera to Jolie. Hopefully she doesn't film me busting my ass.
You're a wank.
I was digging for shark's teeth and I caught a little fish. Check them out. Come here, buddy. Looks like a little drum.
Ooh, good big one right there.
Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little adventure. Did a little bit of skimboarding. We found a bunch of shark's teeth. The snorkeling was a bust though. You couldn't see anything. And there was nothing really to look at either. It's just sand. But if you guys enjoyed that little adventure, go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, stick around and have a great day.